Hello students, today we are going to learn about a school calendar from subject Mathematics Standard 2. Page number is 35. First, look at this calendar, a calendar page. This page belongs to month December. In textbook on page number 35, there is a conversation between Rama and Yash. We will learn the conversation first. We are going to read the conversation and we are going to find some answers of given questions. Okay. Here is a conversation between Rama and Yash. I am going to read. Rama says, Yash, do you know which events will take place in our school in December? Yash says, yes, of course. It's given in our school calendar. Rama says, okay, now tell me on which day is the drawing competition? The first question is here, that is, Rama asks Yash, on which day is the drawing competition? You have to find in this calendar and you have to write the answer in given box. The question is, on which day is the drawing competition? You can easily find on which day is the drawing competition. See, here is the drawing competition. The day is Friday, 20 December. On which day is the drawing competition? Drawing competition is on Friday, 20 December. Here a box is given and you have to write the answer in this box. Let's see further. Rama says, and the sports competition? Next question from Rama for Yash is, on which day sports competition will be held? On which day sports competition will be held? You can see in the calendar, sports competition. Sports competition will be held on 2 days. Those 2 days are 12 and 13 December. On which days will be the sports competition? 12 and 13 December. Yash has given the answer 12 and 13 December. Now Yash says, it's your turn now. Which festival do we celebrate on 25 December? Now Yash has asked the question to Rama that which festival do we celebrate on 25 December? Which festival do we celebrate on 25 December? Very easy. On 25 December, here is the date 25 December. Which festival you can see? It's a Christmas. So on 25 December, everybody celebrates the festival Christmas. Rama says, easy, it's Christmas. And at last, Yash says, okay then, I will leave now. I have to get ready for the picnic tomorrow. At the last, what Yash had said, that he has to get ready for the picnic tomorrow. So, you have to think and say that on which day Rama and Yash had his conversation. म्हणजे रमा आणि यश यांच्यामध्ये हे जे बोलणं झालंय ते कोणत्या दिवशी झाले आपल्याला शोधायचं आहे. मग शेवटी यश काय म्हणालाय की आय हॅव टू गेट रेडी फॉर द पिकनिक टुमॉरो. म्हणजे उद्याची पिकनिक आहे, त्या पिकनिकची मला तयारी करायची आहे असं यश शेवटी म्हणाला. म्हणजे त्यांच्यामध्ये जे बोलणं झालंय बघा, उद्या टुमॉरो, पिकनिक उद्या असं तो म्हणतोय. म्हणजे त्यांच्यामध्ये बोलणं कधी झालं असणार आहे? ऑन 6 डिसेंबर. On which day Rama and Yash had this conversation? Friday, 6 December. Because picnic will be on tomorrow, on 7 December. Here you can see picnic. So they had the conversation on 6 December. Okay, now there is activity. What is the activity? So you have to find that what is the special about the dates of any month that fall on Tuesday. Look at the dates on Tuesday and what is special. You can see Tuesday. See the dates on Tuesday: 3, 10, 17, 24, 31. These are the dates which come on Tuesday in this December month. So what is something special in those dates? 3, 10, 17, 24, 31. The special thing is that these dates are in the steps of 7. Means in 3, if you add 7, we get 10. 3 plus 7, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 17 plus 7, 24, and 24 plus 7, 31. So we can add 7 and get next date. This is the special thing in this. Look any other day, Friday. Here given what is special about the dates of any month that fall on Friday. See, Friday. The dates on Friday are 6, 13, 20, 27. See, you can see step of 7 here also. 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus 7, 20. 20 plus 7, 27. So, the special thing is that the dates are in step of 7. We can get the next date by adding 7. So look here, on Wednesday, if the date is 4, the first Wednesday date is 4. On next Wednesday, by adding 7, we get date on next Wednesday. 4 plus 7, 11. म्हणजेच काय लक्षात घ्या की स्पेशल गोष्ट काय याच्यामध्ये की कोणताही एक वार आपण घेतला, ट्यूजडे घेतला आपण पहिल्यांदा. ट्यूजडेला कोणत्या डेट्स आहेत, कोणत्या तारखा आहेत? 3, 10, 17, 24, 31. तर त्यांच्यामध्ये आपल्याला प्रत्येक दोन तारखांमध्ये 7चा फरक दिसतोय. म्हणजे 3 प्लस 7, 10 मिळतात आपल्याला. 10 प्लस 7, पुढची तारीख 17. 17 प्लस 7, पुढची तारीख 24. 24 प्लस 7, 31. फ्रायडे पण फ्रायडेच्या डेट्स ना पण बघा 7चा टप्पाच दिसणार आपल्याला. 6 मध्ये 7 ऍड केले 13 नेक्स्ट फ्रायडे. त्याच्या नेक्स्ट फ्रायडेला येणार डेट 13 प्लस 7 20. नेक्स्ट फ्रायडेला डेट काय येणार 20 प्लस 7 27. तसं वेन्सडेच आपल्याला शोधायला सांगितलंय. वेन्सडेच्या बाबतीत बघा फर्स्ट वेन्सडे 4 डिसेंबरला आहे. फर्स्ट वेन्सडेला जर 4 तारीख असेल तर नेक्स्ट वेन्सडेला 4 प्लस 7 11. त्याच्या पुढच्या वेन्सडेला 11 प्लस 7 18. पुढच्या वेन्सडेला 18 प्लस 7 25. म्हणजेच 7 मिळवले त्या तारखेमध्ये की आपल्याला त्याच वाराची पुढची तारीख आपल्याला मिळू शकते. ठीक आहे. पेज नंबर 35 मध्ये हे स्कूल कॅलेंडर आपण दिलेलं आहे, आपण ते पाहिलेलं आहे. ओके.